6 takeaways from a crucial week for A. Last week saw tremendous developments in the field of artificial intelligence, leaving a clear mark on the global technological landscape. The most important conclusions from this crucial week can be summarized in the following points. 1. Accelerating development. This week saw a number of new announcements and discoveries in the field of artificial intelligence, indicating that the pace of development is accelerating significantly. New, more powerful and efficient language models have emerged, in addition to innovative applications in various fields, from healthcare to industry. This acceleration heralds an imminent technological revolution that will change the features of our lives. 2. Intense competition. The intense competition between tech giants shows a strong desire to lead in the field of artificial intelligence. Each company seeks to provide advanced products and services, which drives innovation faster and ultimately benefits users. This competition is not just a technological race, but also an economic and geopolitical battle. 3. Growing concerns about ethics. As AI technologies evolve, ethical concerns about their use are growing. There have been broad discussions about accountability, transparency, and potential bias in these technologies. Ensuring that AI is used responsibly is an urgent ethical responsibility that requires international cooperation and clear legislation. 4. The importance of big data. Last week once again highlighted the importance of big data in training AI models. Companies with huge amounts of high-quality data have a significant competitive advantage. This highlights the need to develop effective data management and protection strategies. 5. Huge economic opportunities. AI represents a huge economic opportunity for countries and companies alike. It can contribute to increasing productivity, creating new jobs, and improving the quality of life. But realizing these opportunities requires significant investments in research and development, in addition to developing the necessary human competencies. 6. Remaining technical challenges. Despite significant progress, there are still many technical challenges facing the development of artificial intelligence. These include improving the interpretability of models, reducing energy consumption, and developing safer technologies. Overcoming these challenges is critical to continuing progress in this field.